क्या?
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Okay, morning. Okay, so any other points anybody want to add on? Whatever we talked about yesterday? Any other point, or shall I close? Hmm? No one? That was fine. Everybody satisfied now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So any other this thing you have? Any other topic? Hmm? Tell me a fresh topic for today. Anyone? तो इसमें फॉर कौन बोलेगा? it's not a debate, this thing topic, na? Yes or no?
Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am.
So tell me, any other topic? What you people are doing to improve your English? Are you doing anything?
I'm watching any videos in English and reading newspaper.
What
Reading
kind of
newspaper.
videos?
मैम ऐसे नॉर्मली यूट्यूब वीडियोस जो भी हो वो इंग्लिश में हो.
वो जो भी क्या है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल?
मैम
Some English movies.
yes ma'am, of course English movies or anything like
Web series English.
web series in English.
वाह. और
Songs in English.
Yes ma'am.
ओके,
Oh ma'am, songs.
सॉन्ग्स इन इंग्लिश.
Songs पे नहीं है मैम.
व्हाट एल्स? This is the thing I wanted to hear. Very good. Very good. You know, listening doesn't make you good in English. Okay?
Yes ma'am.
You have to speak.
Practice.
Okay? हाँ.
Practice.
Every day you have to speak in English. Then only you will say ki, I have done something today. Not listening makes you this thing in English. Okay? You have to at least speak in English every day. Each day you have to speak in English. Okay. Okay. So
Yes
every
ma'am.
day you people have to speak in English. All right.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. So make a habit of speaking in English every day. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
हाँ. Take a topic, or as Yogen said, कि नहीं, आशुतोष, right? कि I used to talk to my this thing siblings with in English. Correct? हाँ. So you people also, if you don't have brothers and sisters, you talk to yourself. Okay? Write it down. Make a diary. Okay? In that, write down at what time you wake up till then, and then at the night. Okay? From morning till night. Write down in a diary what all you people have done. Okay? Okay. आप लोग फ्रेंड्स तो बन ही गए होंगे, है ना?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो बात किया करिए आपस में. ठीक है?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, tell me the topic for today. Come on, tell me a topic. Any topic for debate? Tell me. Nobody has a topic. Should I give a topic? Okay. Okay, social media. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you will speak for the motion?
I will speak for the
I
motion.
want to speak. I'm Akshat.
Okay. Ashutosh? For the topic? Okay. Who else wants to speak for the topic? Hmm? Nobody? Only 3 of them are there in the class? Rest others are mute only?
Ma'am, for the topic.
I'm for the topic.
Ma'am, for the topic.
Okay. So 5, 7 are there. Okay, against the topic. Hmm? How many against the topic?
I will speak against the topic.
Okay. Who else?
Excuse me, ma'am. Someone is asking about what's the topic.
Hmm?
Someone is asking about in the message what's the topic.
Social media. Acha, anger management. Really? Okay, come on fast. Tell me, how many of you will speak against the topic? Before the class only, be ready with the topic and be ready to speak for or against the topic. Okay, I don't have to come and waste so much of time asking you people ki who's going to speak for the topic, who's going to speak against the topic. Okay, have this flow in your blood. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So who's going to speak against the topic?
Ma'am, against the topic.
One thing, make it very clear. I'm not having this debate session for any fun kind of thing or I'm this thing, removing your queries or for any entertainment kind of a purpose. I am, for each and every day, I'm noting down which which child is giving what points and which child is interjecting on what point. I am, everything I have noted down. Who is speaking, who is not speaking, each and everything. Which girl, which boy has given so many points. And on that, I'm going to give you marks. Okay. So if you want marks, please speak. If you don't want, just mute yourselves and sit. Okay. Enjoy. ये कौन है शुभम?
Yes, ma'am.
कहाँ है आप? बहुत आवाज आ रही है.
Sorry, ma'am. वो बगल में भैया बात कर रहे हैं, म्यूट किए थे.
Okay, have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You are going to get marks. Whatever you speak, you are going to be marked for that. So be aware of what you speak. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the for ones start speaking.
Social media is a great way to connect with people who may not see all the time.
Who may not see all the time?
Well, he mean to say that social media is a platform where we can connect to people who are living far from far, and we can't connect them with, like, so long we haven't get in touch with them, so we can connect to them so easily.
Let him clear his point. Correct?
Sorry.
Yes, tell me. Is it beneficial for your people or is it harmful? Come on, talk.
You can connect to people who is from from you. But what about the people who is closer to you?
Are you against this topic or for this topic?
I'm against है भाई.
Okay.
First of all, I would like to say, question. So, social speed of the social media. It is the fastest. I mean, not fastest, but it's faster than any of the media present right now, like TV or newspaper and anything. So, if we talk about the sharing of information, anything could be made viral within the night. And according to some reports, 70 to 80% of TV news channels get news from social media in spite of their reporters.
But social media have too many fake news.
Let him complete first.
And we can also easily see that how Twitter helps us, like in this lockdown we have experienced that how many campaigns were successful with using with trending the hashtags. Like if we talk about postponement of JEE NEET exam, and the exams which was not conducted within last 3 years was conducted after the lockdown period.
Okay. This is the benefit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody wants to interject on this point? Any other point?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I want to हाँ
Girls, are you there? Speak something.
Ma'am, I will
Wow.
speak for the topic.
Hmm?
Ma'am, may I?
Please.
Ma'am, social media reduces communication barriers. Uh, with social net media,
Firstly,
we are, ma'am.
say कि I am speaking for the motion. Then start.
Yes, ma'am. For
Okay. Or the
okay,
against the motion. All right.
okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, social media reduces communication barriers. With social media, we are able to communicate our thoughts and perception over different topics with a
Okay.
large number of audience, ma'am.
Okay.
The sharing features available on the social media,
What is the benefit of this?
ma'am. The sharing features available on the social media
Huh?
make our opinion about the different topic to reach huge amount of audience, even
Huh?
to those who are not in our friend list.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In this lockdown period,
Hmm.
we are not able to connect anyone from because of the lockdown. So we are using social media to connect everyone and talk each and everyone, our loved ones.
Loved ones. Okay. बस बातें ही होंगी या कुछ और भी यूज है इसका? हमें और कोई
Um,
दूसरा पॉइंट तो नहीं मिला अभी
Ma'am,
तक.
ma'am,
May I?
social,
May I?
no
ma'am,
one is
social
speaking
media
for
is,
against the topic.
ma'am, social media is also can be used as a good opportunity for businesses. Ma'am,
Like,
businesses have noticed their value of social media. Every time we open social media, we can see the different types of ads and their products.
hmm.
It can be, ma'am, used in a different ways. It can also be used in many business.
Okay.
And it is also used in marketing and doing something.
Ma'am, it is also useful for who are content creators, like who create their content and upload on the internet so that people can reach to that places and know about that places.
Yes, ma'am. Like
अच्छा.
educational purpose videos
It
on
is
YouTube.
used to share data.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
I'm against the topic.
Okay.
Ma'am, I want to say that it is beneficial for many things, but it decreases our face-to-face communication skills.
Good. और
And and it creates so many a lot of misunderstandings between the peoples.
hmm.
So you are saying that if you talk face to face to any person, that will not create any misunderstanding. Social media is a lot more way easier to connect to people and talk to people. If anyone feels like there are very more means, many of the people are introverts and they cannot speak on a social on a in front of 100 people or 200 people, but they can easily say their point on social media and on blog posts.
Ma'am, I want to speak on against the topic because today the social media is very much important in a people's life, and it causes some type of tensions and anxiety to the younger generation. So for the uh, for the depression and anxiety, the social media can be the reason.
Okay.
I want to counter him.
Hmm.
If we have a knife and we give it to a doctor and we give it to a thief, then thief will use it to use it for stealing, and doctor will use it for operation. So it depends on ourselves that how we use our assets in a positive way or in a negative way. We cannot blame the resources, we should blame ourselves.
Okay. Very good. Mm-hmm. Okay. Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Good
I
morning, ma'am.
want to
I would like to speak against the topic.
Okay, carry on.
As Ashutosh said, that if we have any problem, we can simply Google it.
Okay.
So this this point proves everything. Now the generation has become so lazy that that
Okay.
we don't make any effort.
Hmm.
If we have any problem, we simply Google it or ask
Hmm.
someone. So
अरे तो I तो have 110% sure this thing कि everybody is googling each and every point and they're giving one by one each point. You know, I have a
yes, ma'am.
110% doubt.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
No, man.
So
हेलो
this
आवाज नहीं आ
proves
रही क्या मेरी
everything
यार?
that
searching
the
some
generation
topics
in
from
this
Google and
fast
blaming
paced
Google.
generation, people are becoming so lazy that they simply Google everything. Earlier people used to go to the libraries, they would search things, and that would eventually increase the intellectual power of the students. But
I would
now,
like to counter you, Mahima.
yes.
Going to library, reading books, it increases the our physical efforts. It does not increases the mental effort. If we are googling any article, we are reading another article, we are reading third article, and then we are writing our our homeworks on anything, or it depends upon us what we are doing. Like in my context, I am writing any essay, I read 4 essays and write fifth one. So I did some research, I put my effort. It doesn't mean
You
that
I would interject, Kushagra. You said that you search 4 essays
And on
and
addition
then
to that knowledge, we also see 3-4 videos irrelevant to that topic. Correct?
yes, you
Please
said
simply
counter
said
me.
that
earlier,
you
Anyone?
Ma'am,
I
but
said it
it
earlier
reduces
that
our
it depends
mentality.
upon us that how we use our resources.
मन कहाँ मानता है आप लोगों का? Yes or no?
That's
yes,
different.
ma'am.
हार गए आप लोग यार।
मैम अभी कहाँ
Kushagra, Kushagra himself said that he Googles 4 essays and then takes point
Oh
from
my
that,
God.
and
no
then
no
he
no 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 no
writes his own essay. So this simply proves this is
So what are so
this
if I go to library and I read 4 essays from the books, and after that I will go in I will go and do my work. It's the same thing like what I am googling. And
no one. This social media has make things so easier that we can't think. The reasoning power of the students are gradually decreasing, so we simply Google everything. Earlier people used to write essays on their own. They would think and then write. No one used to go and search in the library about the essays.
I want to interject.
Uh, uh, Ashutosh, if you use internet, can you think about the topic by yourself? You will also search the topic from the internet, and then you will
Yes,
go deep into
exactly.
the topic.
Yeah.
And you cannot learn more than 1 hour in the social media, because the social media is very wide, and
Yeah.
we
It
should
reduces
you
not
our
can.
thinking power.
and we should not
Yes.
forget that we are conducting our classes on a social media platform.
Yes,
We
of
cannot
course.
blame it, like we are using it positively. So
As
So
in
is
yes,
it
Naima
beneficial?
is using, as in
yes
Naima is
ma'am.
using
Huh?
it for searching topics on.
But
Social
it is
media
not
class, is
beneficial,
it
na?
beneficial?
No, not much beneficial, ma'am.
And
नहीं
better,
बिल्कुल नो मैम.
Again, as
Then
I
how
would
can you say
say,
that?
if ma'am has given a topic, simply everyone would have searched something about that. uh, if it was an offline class, then all
Yeah.
the people should have thought of their um,
Ah,
Topic.
thoughts
use their
rather than,
brains.
yes ma'am.
Ah,
Yeah.
rather
So I
than
don't
Google
think so.
brains.
I don't think so.
Uh,
This offline classes have any, I could say,
Online
then it
any.
classes,
increases
online
our
classes.
thinking power so much.
Yes.
No one creates anything from himself.
um Ashutosh, you are in the for topic or against topic? Because you are also saying that, so you are not in the social media, and you are also so you are against the topic now, fir.
You just
Suppose, okay, Ashutosh, suppose anybody doesn't want to write, or he or she is not in a habit of writing this thing on social media, so क्या वो हमेशा depressed ही रहेगा if they are not there? तो न्यूज में भी पता चल जाएगा. Hmm? Okay. अच्छा, okay. अच्छा, first tell me 5 important things which you find that is beneficial from social media. Only 5 things.
We
As
get
in
news
America,
faster.
as in
Create some
America,
personal content on.
For the motion, please tell me 5 rigid points. Not that ki, we can talk. ये सब नहीं. Some
And
other
mobility,
5 points.
mobility of
Social media is
information.
best for advertising.
Ma'am, we can create virtual
Social media is best for
content.
advertising.
काम से एक-एक करके.
Opportunity for business, ma'am.
Opportunity for business.
Yes, ma'am.
And for jobs also.
Social media is best for advertising.
Yeah,
Okay. Jobs and advertisement. Then first,
And
second.
Some people,
best part
communicate.
of all is that it is almost free.
Free, really?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा.
Means in comparison to other means, it costs nothing.
Really? No data is
Except our
required?
time. That data is only 300 rupees a month.
Oh my God, really? 300 only?
You think 300 is
Excuse me. Which app costs 300?
कौन इतनी पूजा कर रहा है सुबह से?
जागरण कहाँ पे हो रहा है?
Okay, I have got only 1 point.
ma'am,
It's
may I speak?
for this thing, yes. Jobs and this thing, advertisements. Next,
No,
I have not got.
mobility of information.
What mobility?
That's much faster than any other means.
Mobility
Like
of information.
if anything happens, we get it a day after in newspaper. We get it after
that
few
could be
hours on
that could
TV.
be wrong also, na? What about the wrong information?
Ma'am, may I speak
Yes.
about the
Ma'am, I have
benefits of
topic
social media?
communication. We are always connected digitally to our families.
Third point, Aditi.
Ma'am, one can find support on social media. The
What
people
kind of
like
support?
mental support, emotional support,
Moral
and support regarding,
Really?
because there are communities that are available on social media, and you
Yes.
can easily communicate to them because they do not know who we are and we do not know who they are. So it is much easier to communicate with them. And if we are not communicating to the person directly, yet we can find posts and pages and discussions regarding the subject that we want to hear about. For example, someone told me about their depression that they write. For me, it is more
Okay,
like I read the posts. I go and read the posts that give me positiveness. I follow those things that give me happiness. So, it is very subjective. It absolutely depends on what you are following on social media, what pages and what people are you following, and what is your perspective regarding everything. People
Okay.
can see everything with two perspectives. Either they can find a positive one, or they can feel bad about themselves regarding after seeing someone better than them, or they can find motivation. So it
Okay.
actually depends on the perspective of the person. But